products before they become part of the Style Master. The product development products are organized into programs. Each program has a group of products. For example, this is trousers, and we can click on the display to look at the details. This has the basic information about the program, what's the description, what year it belongs to, what season it belongs to. And then we can click on styles to see the detail. So there's 3 different styles for this program. We can then drill down and look at the details for a specific style. And that's what I'm going to do right now. So we can see all the detail related to, or define all the detail related to this product. Now, this is usually done before the style is in the Style Master. Eventually, we're going to show that this can be transferred over to the Style Master automatically with one click. But continuing here, we have customer information if it's built for a specific customer. We have manufacturing information if we know where this is going to be manufactured and how it's going to be manufactured. We have details about the product. What colors does it come in? What raw materials is it going to use? We have revisions, which are notes on what we have done to this product in the development, what has changed, what has been added, what has been removed, how it has basically changed over time. We have attachments, which are basically different images. We can look at it as a list, or we can look at it as a grid of images. What images are related to this particular product. We have the workflow that we're going to use. What are the different stages that we want to track? Even though these stages here are defined, what would be production stages, these could also be development stages, like having a model test or measurements or etc. So that is how we define a product that belongs to a program. So going back to the detail for the program, which is basically all the products that belong to that program, we can then look at one specific product and say, what can we do? We can add colors, we can add revisions, we can change or add workflow, we can actually look at the style master if it's already defined. We can create a tech pack, which we'll do that in a minute. And we can also create the cost sheet and style. So we can take the information that is here and transfer it over to the actual style master, the cost sheet master from here without having to retype all the information. So if we select it and then click, for example, in tech pack, we can now get all that information summarized into an Excel file, which we're going to open here. And basically, we see all the information was transferred automatically to the Excel. We are going to go to the last tab here quickly, and we are going to go to the data tab, and we're going to click on refresh images, which is going to take the images that it downloaded and put them into the Excel. Because the Excel is now on our computer and the images and all the data reside on the server, we have to bring all that information down to our computer and then run this little macro in Excel to put the images where we want. Anyway, so here we have the main information, general information, bill of materials, the different colors, the applications, labor operations, etc., how to measure, construction measurements, finish measurements,